And next came the oil tank. There it is. It's a very basic device. It is just an oil tank with a little hose, that one, that's feeding the oil pump. I've already bled the pump, but unfortunately I'm not able to bleed this line, so the first tank of gas will have to be pre-mixed with some oil, just to be sure. But it's doing, it will work. Next is the ignition. I need to check the ignition timing. Although everything has been bolted back the way it was precisely, even theoretically I should be 100% okay, I still want to check it. Officially, the ignition should be set at 2.75 millimeter before the top dead point. At that moment, this plate with this lip should be almost in contact with that piece of magnet that is sticking out there, like that. I'm going to measure all that. This is an electronic ignition. It is not the factory ignition, it's a so-called MZB ignition from the firm called MZ Berlin. They're now almost extinct as far as I know, but they produced a more modern electronic ignition than the standard factory one. And well, at some point in the past I chose to buy this one and install it instead of the factory electronic ignition. I still have the original parts though. But first let me check this out. So next, well, I'll see if I can sort out a little bit that spaghetti mess. Oh, it's not too bad, but there's not a lot of wiring on this machine, but still. And remount the, we call it bobine, but I don't know how it's called in English. Put spark plug back, install the battery, and then it's just gas. And I'm ready to go. We're all ready for a tryout. So I thought, well, let's try it out with the compression now, with the spark plug now pulled in. Well, it's the kind of compression I would like to have, you know. It's really building up fast. Just 2 revolutions and you have it. Oops. This is the compression I want, which I didn't have beforehand. So I think that maybe my rings have been stuck before I took her apart. Maybe that was an additional explanation for the lack of compression I sometimes thought that I was having.